In this video, I'm going to show you 5 codes that I can use to get this at a very cheap price for Airtel. So if you are Airtel user and you have been looking for a way on how to get it at a very cheap rate, then this video is for you. In this video, I'm going to show you the top 5 codes that I can use to get it at a very cheap rate for Airtel. So this video is mostly for Airtel user. If you are using other network, I've also done a similar video on how to get it at a very cheap rate from other network. So I'm going to attach this other video in the description of this video. After you have finished watching this video, you can check the description of this video to get access to this other video on how to get it at a very cheap rate for other network. If you are coming across my channel for the first time, you are welcome. On this channel, I teach you tips on how you can work from home and how you can build successful online business. So if that interests you, make sure you subscribe to this channel and turn on your notifications so that anytime I upload videos like this, you will be the first person to get notification. And if you got value from this video, make sure you give this video a thumbs up and also drop your comment in the comment section. The first code to get cheap data from Airtel is *312*2*8# *312*2*8#. So let's dial it and see what we can get with this code. So with this code, you have two options. The first option, with 4,000 I can get 15 GB of data, and this will last you for 30 days. And the second option, with 7,500 can get 40 GB of data and it will last you for 30 days. So let's say if you are going for the first option, let's do a little calculation to know how much 1 GB of data will cost us with this option. So 75 divided by 40. So 1 GB of data will cost us just 187 naira if you're using this code to buy data from Airtel. So this is a very good option that I can use to get it at a very cheap rate if I use Airtel. So let's move on to the second code that I can use to get it at a very cheap rate from Airtel. The number 2 code that I can use to get it at a very cheap rate from Airtel is *312*2*1#, *312*2*1#. So let's dial it and see what we can get with this code. Then we dial number 5, which is night plan. So this is mostly for if you want to do a midnight plan, you can use this option to do that. And you can use this plan from 12 AM to 5 AM in the night. So if you do a lot of bulk work in the night, you can use this code to get it at a very cheap rate, and with 15 naira I can get 250 MB, which means with 100 naira I can get 500 MB, and with 200 naira I can get 1 GB of data, and you can use it for the night. So this is a very good option that I can use to get it at a very cheap rate, mostly for night browsing. So let's move on to the third code that I can use to get it at a very cheap rate for Airtel. The number 3 code that I can use to get it at a very cheap rate from Airtel is *303#. So let's dial it and see what we can get with this code. Maybe if you are browsing the internet and suddenly your data finish and you don't have cash in your bank account and you don't also have money to buy data, you can use this one to request for data in advance. So to do that, you dial number 3 to bring you to this interface. So currently I can be able to borrow up to 1,000 naira. So they will charge you 15% for this if you are using this option to get data in advance for Airtel that you can use for your browsing, then you can pay back later. So you can see the different options that you can request from. So let's move on to the number 4 code that I can use to get it at the very cheap rate for Airtel. So the number 4 code that I can use to get it at the very cheap rate for Airtel is *312*2*5#, *312*2*5#. So let's dial this and see. So with this code, you have 5 options that is available for you that you can make use of. They are mostly monthly plan. The first option here, with 10,000 I can get 35 GB of data. The second option, with 15,000 I can get 60 GB of data. The third option, with 20,000 I can get 100 GB of data. The fourth option, with 30,000 I can get 260 GB of data. And the last option, with 40,000 I can get 210 GB of data. And this will last you about 1 month. So if you're a business owner and do a lot of work with data, you can use this option to buy data at a very cheaper rate that you can use to run your business. So let's say we are going for the last option, which is 40,000 for 210 gigabytes of data. Let's do a little calculation to know how much 1 gigabyte of data will cost if you are using this last option. So 40,000 divided by 210. So 1 gigabyte of data will cost you 190 if you are using this option to buy data at a very cheap rate from Airtel. So this is a very good option that can use to get data at a very cheap rate from Airtel, which means 1 gigabyte of data is less than 200 naira if you are using this code to get data at a very cheap rate from Airtel. So let's move on to the number 5th code I can use to get data at a very cheap rate from Airtel. The number 5th code I can use to get data at a very cheap rate from Airtel is *312*2*6# *312*2*6#. So let's dial it and see what we can get with this code. This code have 3 options, and this code is mostly if you want to do a data plan that will serve for a long period of time. So with any of this code, with any of this option, you can get 3 months data plan plus. The first option here with 50,000, I can get 300 gigabytes of data and it will last for 90 days, which is 3 months. The second option with 60,000, I can get 250 gigabytes of data and it will last for 120 days, which is 4 months. Then the last option with 100,000, I can get 650 gigabytes of data and it will last you for 365 days, which is 1 year. So you can use any of these options to buy data at a very cheap rate that you will use for a long period of time. So you can use, if you're a business owner, you can use any of these options. If you do a lot of data and you don't want to be recharging all the time, you can also use this option to buy data at a very cheap rate from Airtel. So let's say we are going for the last option, which is the 100k for 650 gigabytes of data. Let's do a little calculation to know how much 1 gigabyte of data will cost you if you are using this last option. So 100,000 divided by 650. So 1 gigabyte of data will cost you just 153 naira. If you are using this option, and this will serve you for a whole 1 year. So this is a very good option that you can use to buy data at a very cheap rate if you are a business owner or use a lot of data to do your daily transaction. So these are the 5 codes that you can use to get this at a very cheap rate for Airtel. If you got value from this video, make sure you give this video a thumbs up and also drop your comment in the comment section. And if you use any of this code and it worked for you, make sure you drop a comment in the comment section. If you are yet to subscribe to this channel, make sure you subscribe to this channel so that anytime I upload videos like this, you will be the first person to get notification. And if you want to learn how to get this at a very cheap rate from other networks, you can watch the video that is showing on your screen now, or you can check my comment section to get access to the other videos.